OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, is a branch of the U.S. Department of Labor. It is a federal agency that was created in 1970, requiring employers to provide safe and healthful working conditions, free from recognized hazards or serious physical harm to employees. The OSHA Act covers most private and public sector employers and their employees in the 50 states. And additionally, some states may adopt their own safety and health standards, which must be at least as stringent as OSHA requirements. Employers must follow relevant OSHA safety and health standards, which are minimum requirements. These requirements include: find and correct all hazards, inform employees about chemical hazards through training, labeling, alarms, color coding systems, safety data sheets, and other methods. Notify OSHA within 8 hours of a workplace fatality and within 24 hours of a work-related incident that results in hospitalization, amputation, or loss of an eye. These notifications must be made by phone or through OSHA's website. Employers must also provide personal protective equipment, called PPE, which is appropriate to the job or task as well as the worker. These must be provided at no cost to the employee. Employers are also required to maintain accurate records of injuries and illnesses in accordance with the OSHA record-keeping standards. An annual summary of injuries and illnesses must be posted by the employer for all employees to see. Information must also be posted about OSHA citations and the OSHA It's the Law poster where employees can see them. It's essential that employers and workers understand that they have the right to speak up when unsafe conditions are identified and to report any work-related injuries or illnesses to their employer. Employers are prohibited from retaliating against any worker who exercises their rights under the law. Employees have rights that include the right to a safe and healthful workplace, the right to be trained in a language they understand about chemicals and other hazards, as well as methods to prevent them. Employees have the right to review records of work-related injuries and illnesses, as well as to get copies of any tests done to find and measure hazards in the workplace. Workers have a right to file a complaint, asking OSHA to inspect their workplace if they believe serious hazards are present or if their employer is not following OSHA rules. Workers should feel confident that OSHA will, when requested, keep the identities of anyone filing a complaint confidential. Workers are protected under the Whistleblowers Protection Act from any retaliation. There are a lot of things employers need to know about their responsibilities under the law and complying with the OSHA standards. The National Safety Council, Nebraska chapter, offers OSHA record-keeping training to help ensure that your team is prepared and meeting all necessary requirements. Consultation services are also available for developing policies and procedures and assisting with managing your on-site safety programs. OSHA also offers free, confidential advice through several programs and via their website, including the on-site consultation services for small business. On-site consultation services are separate from enforcement and do not result in fines or penalties. You can find out more about the OSHA consultation program by visiting OSHA's website, www.osha.gov. Remember, each and every one of us is responsible for safety and health in the workplace. Know your rights and responsibilities and speak up when an unsafe condition is identified. To learn more about the National Safety Council Nebraska chapter's training, education, resources, and the consultation program, visit www.safenebraska.org or contact us at 402-898-7364. We are here to help. The National Safety Council Nebraska chapter is a nonprofit organization whose mission is to reduce injuries and save the lives of Nebraskans. We are your partner in safety. We are safety without shortcuts.